Hey guys, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Melissa.
We're home on the hitch. We travel around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. So if this sounds like you, or you're interested in RV travel,
hang out with us for a little bit and let us answer some questions for you. Today, we're going to be looking at this 2022 Compass by THOR here at Campers Inn in Ackworth, Georgia. And mixed in, you got to watch the whole thing because there's going to be some sneak peeks to some things coming up. So make sure you watch the whole video. This is a 2022 Compass by THOR here at Campers Inn in Ackworth, Georgia. Yeah, this one's new here. It wasn't here last time, but it's all-wheel drive. It's pretty cool. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
I really like it. It's compact.
Yeah.
It's cute. So, you want to take a look at it?
Yeah, let's look at it.
All right, so they have these two storage compartments under there, and those are probably rubber lined, or plastic lined, just like the ones on the other side.
Okay, yeah. That's under the bed.
Yeah, this is the under the bed.
It's groovy.
So it has the paneling.
Yeah. I mean, this. All right. Frameless windows around. Looks like on everything. It's a dually. Dual rear wheels. I got
so
all
you got your outdoor
here.
shower and
Water
a
heater.
tankless water heater.
Tankless water heater. Mm-hmm. All your connections, your freshwater connection, and I believe that down there is probably your sewer outlets and everything. Seems to be right there with your 30 amp plug. If you back up so it's got a little tow hitch on there. I'm sure it'd be good for
your bikes.
Yeah. And that's probably actually
maybe even for like a little smart car or something.
Yeah, it's made for towing. It's got a walk-on roof. Got the ladders already there.
Right. It's already wired.
Yeah, so it's got the 7-pin connector, so it's good for towing. I'm not sure how much. We'll see if we can find out. But
so you got your propane.
Oh, yeah, propane quick connect, and looks like it's already got a generator. Cummins Awning. What is that? A 4,000 watt.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. Already built in, ready to go. I like the awning. I really like the awning. Really nice. So is that?
I imagine this is what the storage looks like on the other side. That's underneath the slide.
Yeah,
but that's great, right by the door, and it's plastic, so you could just toss your dirty shoes in there.
All kinds of stuff. Extension cords, whatever happened to.
Right. I mean, just right before you get in.
Yeah. Awesome. How do all these campers get here?
I don't know. Do you know?
I don't know. We'll see if we can figure it out.
Do you know?
I don't know.
I was asking them.
Them?
Yeah.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Today, we're going to be trying to find out just where all these RVs come from and how they get to where they're going. Only thing that's been missing is my co-pilots, Melissa and Honey. I do miss them. But we're going to be good. Check out these bridges. They're pretty cool how they got this set up. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Napanese, Indiana. We're headed over towards Goshen. So this right here is another Lippert plant. Right there. And then next to that is the Keystone Arcadia plant. See the Arcadia fifth wheels lined up over there, as well as out there. Very nice. Like I said, all-wheel drive by THOR. And yeah, cool. So some type of control panel there.
Right, this looks like this is going to control all your lights and show you your readings and things.
Yeah.
And then here's another controller down here for...
What's it say?
That's your charge controller.
Oh, cool. So it must have some solar.
And then here's, I imagine...
Battery cut off right there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, so this is really cute. Never mind the artwork on the back
but
of
you could put whatever you wanted up there.
You know, I guess they're just trying to use the space. So this has a Murphy bed.
Yeah.
And there's lots of space behind there that you could like store extra bedding or, you know, clothes or whatever. So you just close it up for the day.
Right.
So I like that because you don't have a lot of parts that you have to keep taking apart and putting back together. There's lots of little cubbies and storage in here, which makes a lot of difference in such a small space.
It's got a lot of cabinet space.
So it's got a televator. It has these wonderful cabinets that has lighting over the top, which
I didn't even notice that.
It actually illuminates the inside of the cabinet. So
that's actually, that's really cool.
I like the neutral colors that they picked in here. That like the decor is really palatable.
But there's a whole lot of cabinets.
Right. So you have a televator, and then you have these cabinets, which are not so deep because you have the TV behind them, but you have lots of area to work with. Here's your fuse panel.
Right.
It has the little wireless charging pad.
Oh, cool.
A really nice, deep stainless steel basin sink. Yeah.
It's a
two-burner hob, yeah.
Pull it up. There you go.
The microwave. Another big drawer.
It's really nice.
This is a convection microwave also, so that's really
even
nice.
better. Oh, you've got the generator so you can run that.
Right. You got a spot for your trash can.
Cool.
And then over here you have a large wardrobe. To put your clothes and store your table.
There's the poles for the table.
One big drawer and three smaller drawers. Right. This looks, I don't know what you would put in there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Magazine rack?
Maybe. That's the Norcold. That's a 12-volt and gas, propane electric.
This is a really decent sized refrigerator for this space. I really like this.
Groovy. Awesome.
All right, and then you have the bathroom back here with a pocket door that has a lock on it, and you don't see that a lot. A bathroom that locks.
No.
The shower is a big size too. Yeah.
It's got a nice size shower.
And there's lots of storage in here in the bathroom too. I really like these metal sinks that they've been putting in too.
There's it's got a toilet paper.
Right.
Holder there already.
And that's a prime pooper position.
That's it, man. And nice door. I mean, so much room in there. The whole thing, actually.
Right, and then you have this little pocket that has your USB charger, so you can put all your phones and cameras and things. I love this big window. And then it has a shade.
That's kind of groovy.
Looks like a Max Air. What? No.
No. AC there. Just a fan there. Looks like it's a ducted AC, so that's cool.
Right, I like the cab too. It's very clean.
Well, and again, the advantage of something like this is, so we can get down a little bit. Yeah, it's really nice. Is that you can, especially if it's late somewhere and you just pop into Walmart or whatever, you don't even have to get out. You can just park. And,
right. This chair may turn around, but I don't know. That one doesn't because it's attached to it. So
it's really nice.
What I love is they have these cushions so that short people can see over the steering wheel like me. And another thing, I can reach everything in here. I love that.
That's true.
But this counter space is amazing. Look how much counter space you can get if you put that TV down. Yeah. So
what's the price on it?
I think this is totally doable.
I think we could definitely do something like this. It would be a lot of fun.
So they have
Retail wise, what's the price?
They have it listed for $129,248.
Okay.
It is a 2022-23 TE Compass all-wheel drive.
Perfect. All right, guys, thanks for joining us for this video. We're going to end this one right here. Yeah, it's really nice. I like this.
I do like it.
Yeah.
It's very doable.
So make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy the content. We really enjoy your feedback. Leave us a comment and share.
If you would like to support our videos, you can check us out on Patreon.
We'll always appreciate that. Until next time, guys, take care of each other, love each other,
and make every moment count.
We'll see you next time, guys.